Mobidea Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're exploring mobile affiliate marketing, Mobidea promises to help you optimize campaigns and maximize revenue. But is it really effective? One of the biggest pros is its mobile focus. Most people get this wrong by assuming all affiliate platforms cater equally to mobile. Mobidea specializes in mobile traffic, including apps, landing pages, and push notifications, helping affiliates reach the right audience. Another advantage is real-time analytics. The app tracks conversions, clicks, and traffic sources, allowing marketers to quickly optimize campaigns for better performance. Its app testing features also help refine landing pages and creatives for higher engagement. Mobidea supports a wide range of verticals, including dating, gaming, finance, and health, giving affiliates flexibility to choose niches that suit their audience. The platform also provides ready-made campaigns and offers, reducing setup time. However, there are cons. Some users report a steep learning curve for beginners, especially if they're new to mobile affiliate marketing. Payout thresholds can be high, and customer support may be slow for urgent issues. Additionally, the mobile-only focus might limit opportunities for web-based campaigns. In conclusion, Mobidea is a powerful tool for mobile affiliates seeking real-time optimization and diverse offers. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for experienced marketers, newcomers may need time to fully navigate its features. For affiliates focused on mobile traffic and campaign optimization, Mobidea delivers robust functionality, but beginners should prepare for a learning curve and ensure their audience aligns with mobile offers.